Hi, my name is Bilal, and today we will use Astera Data Prep to prepare data from multiple PDF files on employee payroll information. Our aim is to extract the tax deductions for each employee in a structured format and repeat the process for multiple files. Here we have a report model that can enable us to extract the unstructured information of the PDF file. However, if we preview this report model, we can see that the data is in a hierarchical format. Data preparation is not suited for hierarchical data. Thus, we will be flattening it first using the Start Data Preparation option. Since data preps are project-dependent artifacts, we will need to either open an existing project or create a new one. Since we do not have any projects, let's create one. As you can see, with just a click of a button, the report model is added to the project, a shared action is created for that report model, and a data prep reading that shared action file is created. When a report model is read, a hierarchy of nodes from the report model is displayed in the recipe configuration, allowing you to select the fields based on your needs. Since we only want to extract the tax details, we will be only selecting the fields from the payroll details region and the company name. And this is how hierarchical data is flattened on a data prep grid view. Now, let us cleanse this data. In the employee column, there are leading, trailing, and duplicate white spaces in the names, some of which contain punctuations. These can be removed by using the Remove Characters recipe action. Next, we would like to split the employee column into the first and last name. So let's use the Split Column recipe action to achieve that. Now, because the split column recipe action creates the new columns at the end of the preview, we will move both the columns to the start. Moreover, we no longer require the original column, so let us remove it by using the Remove Columns recipe action. The pay type recorded for most of the employees is SAL. Let's substitute this with salary using the Find and Replace recipe action so that it is easy to understand. Looking at the pay amount column, the employee pay data is accompanied with dollar signs, which looks inconsistent with the rest of the figures in the preview. Simply changing the data type to real can help make this data consistent with the rest of the preview. Now observe that when I created this data prep from the report model, the first recipe to be created was a variable recipe. This recipe contains the path for the source file of the report model, which is read in the read recipe using the path from variable option. However, even if this recipe was to be deleted, the report model can still be read from the shared action file as it also contains the path from the source file. So then why configure a variable recipe? The true purpose for doing this is for when the data prep artifact is consumed in data flow as a data prep source. When this object is configured as a transformation, it unlocks an input node to parameterize the file path for the source file of the report model. Here I have a file systems item source that is pointing to the folder containing my payroll PDF files. When each file path is received by the data prep source transformation, the data preparation will be applied to that file. The expression transformation creates the destination file path for the output, and the delimited destination object enables writing to multiple files. Lastly, with the execution of this data flow, the unstructured data from all of my PDF files becomes structured, flattened, prepared, and written to separate files in one go. With Astera Data Prep, you can reduce your payroll processing time from days to minutes. Contact us today to learn how Astera can help you with your data preparation needs.